Anjani Interior Design Workshop is a dynamic and creative place where various interior design projects and furniture making are carried out. The workspace is equipped with adequate equipment and organized to support efficiency in production. Although it looks a little messy with piles of wood and tools, it reflects an active creative process.
Back a year ago, I've changed.
The main focus of this workshop is to create custom furniture designed according to the needs and preferences of the client. Anjani Interior Design emphasizes quality and detail in every product produced. Be it a table, chair, or other design elements, this workshop is committed to using high-quality materials and good craftsmanship techniques. The craftsmen here have special skills that allow them to produce functional works of art.
Same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
The workshop process begins with the planning and design phase, which involves a thorough understanding of the client's needs. Once the concept is approved, the next stage is the selection of the right materials. Quality wood is carefully selected, and the cutting and processing processes are carried out with precision. Daily activities in the workshop include a variety of activities, from wood cutting, drilling, to finishing. Each craftsman has specific responsibilities, and they often work together to ensure efficiency and quality of work. In addition, they continuously adapt to the latest design trends to maintain relevance and customer satisfaction.
I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live.
The atmosphere at Anjani Interior Design Workshop feels collaborative and creative. Workers interact with each other, exchange ideas, and provide feedback to each other. While the work environment may seem a little messy, this is indicative of free and innovative creativity. Time often flies by when they're involved in a project, with the background music adding to the enthusiasm. In addition to focusing on design and quality, the workshop is also committed to implementing environmentally friendly practices. They strive to use sustainable materials and reduce waste in the production process. This reflects the awareness of the environmental impact of the interior design industry. Conclusion: Anjani Interior Design Workshop is not only a production place, but also a center of creativity and innovation in interior design. With a dedication to quality, collaboration between craftsmen, and environmental awareness, this workshop strives to create products that are not only aesthetic, but also functional and sustainable.
Way back a year ago.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
gudang yang sudah selesai finish, ditaruh di sini dan sudah di packing. Ini nanti siap untuk dikirim. Ini hasil finishingnya seperti ini.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Jadi seperti inilah di gudang yang sudah siap untuk dikirim ke proyek. Tadi kita sudah melihat ruang atau gudang finishing. Nah, ini tinggal dibungkus. Biasa dikeringkan dulu di sini. Seperti ini. Jika udah mau kirim, tinggal dibungkus seperti yang di sini. Oke, kita tinggal tunggu kesiapan di proyek. Kalau udah selesai, kita bawa bergetar Insta. Nggak meeting kamu, Hit? Kamu nggak kasih video saya?